Can a tax dependent get an ITIN? Imagine trying to file your taxes and realizing your child or dependent doesn't have a social security number. That can make things tricky, right? Well, there is a way for dependents who can't get a social security number to still be part of your tax return. Yes, a tax dependent can get an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, if they are not eligible for a social security number but need to be included on your tax forms. This is common for children or other dependents claimed on your tax return who might not qualify for a social security number because of their immigration status or other reasons. To qualify, the dependent must be a child or stepchild, not a foster child, and they must have lived with you for the entire tax year. The ITIN is used only for tax purposes, so it helps you claim your dependents and possibly qualify for certain tax benefits. Applying for an ITIN involves submitting IRS Form W-7 along with your tax return. You need to send original or certified copies of documents like a passport or birth certificate to prove the dependent's identity and foreign status. If the dependent is under 18 and can't sign, a parent or guardian can sign the application for them. It's important to remember that having an ITIN does not give the dependent the right to work in the United States or access Social Security benefits. Also, dependents with ITINs are generally not eligible for the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit unless they have a valid Social Security number. However, some states like California may offer state tax credits for ITIN holders. For Latino families, understanding how to apply for an ITIN is key because many family members might not have Social Security numbers due to immigration status. Getting an ITIN allows the family to file taxes correctly and claim certain benefits, which can help with financial support. In short, if your dependent cannot get a Social Security number, they can still get an ITIN. This helps you include them on your tax return and claim some tax benefits. Just remember, an ITIN is for tax purposes only and does not change their immigration status or work rights.